Crackle lacquer is something that's incredibly popular, and probably because it's so versatile. It's a very forgiving finish, so you can put anything on it. Marks don't show, but the wonderful thing about it is it's a very tactile finish and no one can resist stroking it. You can see here that predominantly used is turquoise and teal colours in the lacquer, but a lot of the original red lacquer of this old Chinese sideboard shows through and has been kept. And all of it has been finished with a beautifully glossy top coat to give it a nice professional sheen and finish. The doors have exactly the same finish. The lacquer gets a little bit darker down towards the bottom with a bit more of the natural wood showing through where it's been distressed. There are, as I said, some little touches of red. This is also around the frame of the doors, but predominantly this is a blue Crackle lacquer sideboard. 3 cupboards, each door has a pretty brass tab handle, and each door closes with a gentle magnet that means if you've got uneven floors the door won't be flying open, and each door has a cupboard has a divider, so you've got 3 individual cupboards, but each of them houses a single removable shelf. This is quite a chunky, substantial sideboard and will be a very pretty statement piece in a dining room or a hallway or in a very neutral environment. This is going to bring a good pop of vibrant blue, a calming colour which also works as a good neutral.